Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can connect Zapier to Vacation Tracker to automate your workflows. While Vacation Tracker already directly integrates with some software, by using Zapier, you can connect to thousands of different apps and use them to create custom workflows that are purpose-built for your organization, even on their free plan. To get started, you're going to first log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you haven't already done so. From here, now you have the option to add Vacation Tracker in two different ways, either directly as you create a new Zap for a workflow, or you could do so from the get-go by clicking on the App Connections option in the menu. And then from here, you're going to create a new connection with the Vacation Tracker app. All you need to do is search the name Vacation Tracker. It should appear. Then once you click on Add Connection, you'll need to enable permissions with the Vacation Tracker app. Then this will just take a few seconds, and then before you know it, the connection will be made and it will appear inside of the table on this page and be ready to use with all different kinds of Zaps. And now ultimately, it's going to be up to you as to how you want to use this connection when you go to create a new Zap. You'll see that in the trigger section, right at the top, because we already connected Vacation Tracker, it'll appear as an option, and you have a list of different events that you can choose from. An example that may be of interest to you is perhaps having the approved leave request syncing with your payroll or HRS of choice. That way you maintain clean and accurate records, which you can do so with Zapier pretty easily simply by searching for your HRS or other piece of software and then choosing the relevant event. As a side note, you'll also have a log of all the events with Zapier inside of your Vacation Tracker dashboard. You can find it by navigating to the left-hand menu, clicking on Workspace Settings, and then on Add-ons. And then once you scroll down to the Zapier integration card, you'll see the list of all the events and whether or not they've succeeded or failed. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about Zapier and our other integrations, then make sure to check out our knowledge base, which contains tons of helpful resources on not only this, but all kinds of topics relating to Vacation Tracker. And if you run into any issues whatsoever when setting up your own Zapier connection, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.